I'm getting clients, like in my professional journey, I'm getting clients without pitching. So that is the benefit I got through it. Definitely, it's a great feeling that any person on this earth wants to become Arjuna, and I'm getting that chance, so it is amazing. My name is Yogita Deshpande. I'm from Mumbai and I'm a commercial artist with 13 years of experience in advertising. I have been in Bodmarg since 2020 and I've completed all the courses. It helped me in my life, so I have joined this Arjuna as well for my spiritual journey as well as my professional growth. Throughout the journey is inspiring and evolving. I've learned a lot of things like breathing techniques and 21 days journal, which is very much helpful, and I've been doing it since last 2 months. Like, this is my second round where I'm doing 21 days journal, and it's the most awesome experience I have ever been. I have never been consistent on anything, like whether it's exercising or yoga. I have been doing it, but 10 days to 11 days and then gap pad jata hai, and then it's like there is discontinuation, and then again I start and again some But with this, I have started with my 21 days journal. Whatever I write in that, it happens. It actually happens. So what all there in that form, so I'm filling that form and it actually happens in that day itself. In my professional journey, I'm getting clients without pitching. So that is the benefit I got through it. Definitely, it's a great feeling that any person on this earth wants to become Arjuna, and I'm getting that chance, so it is amazing. Everyone, from the housewives, students, professionals, businessmen, everyone can join this program. Generally have lots of doubts and questions about whether we can do it. We think we know everything, or sometimes it happens that we are struggling with so many things that we don't know what's happening with us and we are just flowing anywhere. But with Arjuna, we are getting aligned, we are focusing on particular thing, what we want in our life and where we are going. We know that, and we get that flow where we have to go. Once we align with it, once we confirm that yes, I want to do this course, everything aligns and happens. This is what Shri says, and I have experienced it from the first course itself. Actually, I'm no one to follow him. He has chosen us. When I have started this journey, that time I was very much struggling due to COVID. And once I have decided that yes, I want to start with this, I think first course was DNA. And that time I was literally having no work, nothing. And with that course itself, I've started getting work and everything was like great. So after DNA, I have done naval. Health-wise also, I've got cured. I was having asthma issue. Once or twice in a year, I used to get attacks but from that time onwards, I have not used the pumps also. I'm experiencing this journey without even reading any scripts or anything. So everything comes to me in the form of Krishna.